Alright, so when we're doing our 5V prep work for direct to deck, you want to do the following steps. So first of all, you get your drip edge on, underlayment over the top, and then you're ready to go ahead and put your valley in. So option one, I can go ahead and take my valley and cut my eave line out, and then go ahead and overhang the entire width of the valley, minimum of 3/4 of an inch. And then we can go ahead and fasten this with our 1/4 inch hex head neoprene washered screws. They'll go on the outside of the valley pan on both sides every 2 feet, going up either side. Now when I do my valley metal down, I can go ahead and bring my gutter riser flush with my valley. I can bring it to the first V, or I can bring it to the second V on top here. Make sure to put no fasteners in the gutter riser over the valley pan so that water can weep out underneath the gutter riser. Only fasten along the eave line outside the valley pan. Now the other option, if we don't want to see these ribs or this painted metal coming out of the eave line, is to create a valley extension. So a valley extension is made from our stone coated steel flat stock. Going to create a water stop on either side, and then I can go ahead and do a fold over hem on the bottom of this as well. So now we're going to go ahead and overhang this, the minimum of 3/4 of an inch over our eave line. Then we'll take our caulking, go ahead and do 2 lines of caulking, and then we will slide our valley into that valley extension. So now all you'll see coming out of the eave line will be the stone coat to match my panels. And then we can come back with our fasteners every 2 feet on the outside, on either side of the valley pan. And then every 2 feet going up. Then we'll come back with our gutter riser and bring that even to my valley and fasten as normal.